didn't think it was that bad, but it was that bad, and it lost a lot of coolant and yeah, overheated. So that was embarrassing. I called the air out of panic, and we put some kind of rad seal in, which isn't great, and fixed it temporarily. Since then, I have spent the value of my RX-8, £500, in fact more than that. I've spent more than I paid on my whole RX-8 car to get a new radiator in it. And well, today, we'll see if that works. Now, regular viewers may know that I always kind of run late for all these events that I go to, and today is no different. I'm running late to meet Ollie at a service centre, and then we're going to convoy down with Ollie. He'll be in his GT6, and then spend the day at Denbies Wine Estate. There's some nice roads on the way down there, so I'm sure we'll have some fun there. But I'll catch up with you once I've got to Ollie. Now here is where I broke down last time. Still seems good. There's the petrol station I pulled into. I'm following an Audi R8, he's going a little bit slowly. Everything seems good. All is well in the world. Right, let's see if Ollie's on time. No, I'm actually on time in the end, so I made some good time by not breaking down. But that's good because I need to fill up the fuel. Right. Rabbits! It's rabbits! Well, whilst we're waiting for Ollie, after filling out fuel, we can really take a step back to appreciate the view that is Farnham, with the little bunny rabbits on the field in front of it. How beautiful. Where's Ollie? Aha! Here he is. Right, let's go. Right, let's go. So we've been driving for a good half hour now, and because the government decided to close a little bit of a road, we have to detour around 500 villages, and we're back on the route now and we're running very late, so that's annoying. But I'll catch up with you once we're very close, because I'm a little bit annoyed. So I don't know if you can see, but we've managed to pick up a Ferrari 330 behind us, and this road opens up, so let's see if he keeps up with us. So I have parked up next to Ollie in his GT6, and let's have a little look around at some of the cars. There's a lot of variety and colours. Series 2 E-Type next to a 328, Lotus, McLaren, Lotus, Porsche, all the usual PistonHeads crew. Here is some kind of mad Corvette. I don't know what modifications it's called, but it's called a Carbon 65 apparently. I'm sure it's some kind of special edition that I don't know about. Caterham 200SX, that's very kind of drifty. Cool E55 AMG wagon. That's an understated car. Oh my god! I've spotted something in the distance. Can you see? It's a Daytona Cobra. Now, this car I saw about 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, at a local show of mine. Spoke to the owner, was saying how much I love Cobras and just loves this car. This is the Super Performance Shelby Daytona Cobra. And yeah, that is that as an option. If I wasn't to have my Cobra, I'd have one of these. I remember I was saying how much I wanted a Cobra in the future when I last saw this car, and now I've got one myself and I'm seeing it again. Shame I couldn't park next to it. I've got a van with some stickers on it. Mini, Supra, Subaru, Golf GTI, Astra GTE, TVS Husqvarna 2, Lotus XL. Got a Shelby GT350. This is a regular at some of the shows around here. Very nice. We've got a R31 Nissan Skyline, quite a rare beast. McLaren 540C, E46 M3, a Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. Let's have a look at this. Bayside blue, that's the colour to get. This car's a very standard example. Very nice to see a standard example of one of these. A couple of little Caterhams, one more track focused than the other. And more standard PistonHeads examples of cars, BMWs, Audis, M3s, M4s, Focus RSs, Civic Type Rs, Caterhams. That's the usual lot of this kind of PistonHeads crowd. Jaguar F-Type SVR, RS, and a track-focused Time Attack Fiesta ST. Rather rare Opel Speedster, TVR Chimera, that's been on a pub-to-pub tour around the world. Cute little Alpha next to a Evo and a Mustang. Low drag style E-Type. 993, another Mark III GT6, Lotus Evora, Alfa Romeo 4C next to a BMW Z1 with obviously the doors down. No other car in history have had doors like this, so obviously they go down into the car. More standard PistonHeads cars. It's the kind of cars that you see at like a general track day, all the M cars, the Lotuses, Caterhams, 350Zs. But then there's a Volvo 240 or 244, bit random. RX-7, Z4 Owners Club. And here's a Supra with some weird kind of vents in the front. Never seen a Supra like that before. Unusual. Right, there's a hard standing surface with a random GT2 RS parked down here.
The thing is that, and
C63 Black Series without the wing. Lovely colour on this Chimera, next to a stunning 4GC. Oh no, the Daytona Cobra's leaving. That's got a Ford engine. It's got a Ford, that's what I should have. Don't leave so soon. I'll catch it going up the grass. Oh, just use torque to get up the hill. There's the answer for you. There you go. Right, so cars have already started leaving, so I'm going to go to the exit and capture cars leaving like I normally do. But again, that will be a separate video. Link at the end of this video. Right, there is one exit. It doesn't mean going up a grassy bank, but I want the challenge of going up the grassy bank. Why would I not do that? Had to be done. It's annoying, I've only been at the show for about 45 minutes to an hour and I'm already leaving just because other cars are already leaving and I want to catch them leave for your viewing pleasure. This car does sound good. No, it's not got the proper Ford engine, but I don't care. Right, let's catch some cars leaving. Look at my car sitting all pretty there with its new kind of blacked out strut things there. And I've polished one of the wheels. I will show you my polished wheel. And it broke down before I could do the others. So there's my polished wheel, which is also dirty. And then the corroded non-polished wheel is here. But enough of that, cars are starting to leave, I'm going to film them. So cars have left and I need to stick around for a bit because I've got a meeting coming up down the road and I'm going to get some pictures of the Cobra around the vineyard. Well, my friend Munch 997 will be. Right, bear with. And yeah, photos taken, I'm back at the wine estate and I'm going to go inside and, I don't know, go to the cafe because I've got a bit of time to wait for. But I will end the video now because not much else is going to happen in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a weekly list of all these kind of shows. But for now, thanks for watching.